Bonanza, keep flying, Bonanza, keep flying, Bonanza, keep going, Bonanza, keep going. Do not touch down, Bonanza, do not touch down, turbo up, slow down. Bonanza, do not touch down, Bonanza.
Hi, folks. In the past, I never had the opportunity to fly to Lakeland Linder Airport during Sun and Fun. Until recently, my good friend Dwayne flew his 1960 PA-22 Pacer along the Lake Parker route to Sun and Fun. Come along and enjoy this fantastic flight experience. We can back to the left a little bit, yes.
You know, it's always great to have a very competent pilot sitting next to you here when you're flying.
Yeah.
And I've got just that here with Dwayne. There he is.
Knock on wood.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. We just got to keep our eyes peeled around here. We got the fish finder here we can see too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're going straight out here for about 3 miles. We get out beyond Lake Parker.
Gotcha.
We're about we're almost 3 out now, so we're just going to continue on to south and continue our climb. Watching temperatures and oil pressure over there. Engine seems to be running fine. We're climbing through 2,000 feet now. Going to go up to, I'd say, we'll try 5,000 feet, then we'll try a pass directly overhead.
Well, I guess that's why they call this Lakeland, huh?
Yeah, lots of lakes.
Sure do, boy.
All right, we're 4 miles out of Lakeland now.
Okay.
We're just gonna make a turn to the south here a little bit. We'll continue our climb. We should be able to see it off our right wing around. That's a pretty good shot of the grounds there.
Yep, sure is.
Okay, we're coming up on 7 minutes here, been in the climb. The old gal does pretty good with a light load here. 7 minutes, so it'll be a little over maybe 7.5 to 5,000 feet.
Okay.
Fairly cool spring day. It is spring, right?
Yeah, I think it is.
All right, we're gonna start to push over here a little bit now. We'll stop the climb right at 5,000. What do you think of that view? Is that gonna look okay?
Oh, it's fantastic, yeah. This is your aerial view of Sun and Fun.
From 5,000 feet.
Right, yeah, from 5,000 feet, yeah.
You can see Tampa out in front of us there. And then that'd be St. Pete, I think, over there on the shore.
Yeah, you got better eyes than I got, then.
See Tampa right out in front there.
Okay.
But just stay clear of Tampa's airspace there.
Yes.
Sherman Golf is ready.
6 Romeo Golf.
It's kind of a
10 right.
kind of a lousy shot there into the sun, I would think.
Yeah, well, these two little white things here are a little bit, but that's okay.
Well, we could have took the door off and put you in the back seat.
Make sure you avoid Lake Parker.
No, it's quite all right. No. Yep, pilot's still here, and he's doing a great job. Doing a better job than I am steering the camera.
I'm just hanging on. Gonna turn back to the east now and track a little further away.
Okay.
I get over towards Barge. We're supposed to be 3 miles out from Lake Parker.
Gotcha.
When we start the entry.
Yep. Was that fun? Fun for me. I hope it was fun for you too.
Yeah, we got more fun ahead getting back in and landing there.
Oh, yeah.
Sun and fun.
That's right.
Yeah, there's a crowd at Lake Parker now. Yeah, I haven't been up this high since I put my D4 Insight in, and we're 7.5 gallons up here at 2,300 RPM, and we're leaned back to, we can see each of our cylinder head temps, and feel like an airline pilot here doing paperwork.
Yeah, my goodness. Okay, so we got Winter Haven Airport right here.
Good, Rock. Appreciate that. Appreciate you flying directly over the power plant. That's exactly where we'd like you to go. Continue westbound. Again, join that interstate. When you turn southbound at the golf course, fly toward that green V-shaped building north of the terminal building. Turn downwind there. Left downwind, runway 10 left. Cirrus Monitor Tower 135.22. Thanks again.
Yep, just feel for traffic now. That's everybody that's out here.
Oh, yeah.
White Cirrus over the cement plant.
White Cirrus, rock your wings. Great job, appreciate that. Continue that heading westbound. The distance between you and that amphib in front is just right now. Continue westbound. Join the interstate, southwestbound, turn south at the golf course toward that green V-shaped building.
Got a guy over here.
And then enter the left downwind from there. Runway 10 left, Monitor Tower 135.22. Good morning.
He's not following the procedure. You're supposed to fly 3 miles outbound.
5 Golf, I believe it was. If you're coming to Lakeland, turn southbound. The end of the line is about 4 miles east of the power plant.
A guy back
like
here,
you're ready to
off
fly
our
over
side
the power
back
plant
here,
in a single file line. Again, look for aircraft in front of you, like about 1 mile between you and the aircraft ahead of you. So 1 mile between aircraft, lots of room, westbound over the power plant, directly over the power plant. And then they expect runway 10 left. RV just north of the power plant, northwest of the power plant now, rock your wings. Oh, great,
yeah,
Rock, appreciate that. Continue westbound, join the interstate. Again, don't forget to southbound at the golf course or that V-shaped building, Monitor Tower 135.22 at the, for the RV. Another low wing over the power plant, rock your wings. Maybe, there you go, good, Rock. Continue westbound, spacing is good between you and the aircraft in front of you. Just over the power plant now, Monitor Tower 135.22. Keep that spacing up. The low wing with the gear up that's over the power plant. Rock your wings. Low wing with the retractable gear.
Oh,
I think he thought that was him there before.
Low wing with tip tanks and retractable gear over the power plant. Looks like a T-tail. Rock your wings for me.
as we can't see.
Tango Papa, I believe, was that your frequency?
Looking for 776 Tango Papa here.
776 Tango Papa. Are you retractable gear, tip tanks?
Yeah, we're over Lake Juliana now, ready to join the westbound line for Parker.
Oh, that's not you then. We're looking for somebody else. 341 Tango Papa looks like. 341 Tango Papa, Lakeland. Hi, do have a high wing tail dragger over the power plant. There you go. Looks like a Piper. Continue westbound. Join the interstate southwestbound. You look like you were doing a good job on the arrival, so we do appreciate that. Monitor Tower 135.22, 3522 for the short wing Piper.
Start your descent. VTOL, that's your base. Just start the descent. Nice job, VTOL.
Yeah, but help keep me high on these two guys right here.
Okay, yeah, I see the one just to the right of the...
Everybody inbound, plan a really
I see both of them, I think.
We're going to be landing at or after
right here ahead of us.
with a high-speed taxi all the way down to the
Yeah,
end.
one guy's going this way, the other guy's going left.
I don't know where that guy's going there.
Yeah, I don't know either.
If you kind of keep an eye on him, I'll kind of keep an eye on the other guy's much faster. We got plenty
on the
of
downwind,
space
turn your
on
base.
him.
Everybody coming into the downwind this morning, you're going to fly directly over the green V-shaped building. Cirrus on downwind, turn base. I saw Cirrus, keep turning left for me, directly towards the green dot. The Cirrus making the good left turn for me, green dot, and then we're going to go 10 left at or after the orange dot, high-speed taxi all the way down to the end.
I'm thinking that's the green V-shaped building right there.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. It's green and it's kind of V.
RV half mile north, turn downwind.
And that's where you're going to turn downwind, right?
Right, just inside of that, I think.
Yeah.
What's this guy doing up here? What the hell is that?
Tip tanks, turn left, turn base. Tip tanks, turn left. Tip tanks, turn left. RV, go orange dot. RV go to the orange dot. Cherokee, one turn to final. Bonanza, keep turning, Bonanza, keep turning, left, Bonanza, left, all the way down to the green dot. Tip tanks, turn final. Turbo pop, turn final. I need my RV all the way down past the orange dot.
Both up in
You're
there.
also going to land on top. Bonanza, keep flying. Turbo prop, all the way down to the green dot. Turbo prop, green dot. Bonanza, all the way down to the orange dot. RV wants to skinny runway, everybody. RV wants to get down. We got traffic right behind orange dot. I want my Bonanza all the way down to the orange dot. Turbo prop, all the way down to the green dot for me. Cessna half mile north, turn downwind. Prop, I need you down. Bonanza, keep flying. Turbo prop, put it down. Bonanza, keep flying. Bonanza, keep flying. Put it down. Turbo prop. Bonanza, add power. Bonanza, add power. Bonanza, keep flying. Keep going. Keep on. Bonanza, keep going. Do not touch down, Bonanza. Do not touch down. Turbo prop, slow down. Bonanza, do not touch down, Bonanza. Bonanza, go and put it down. Bonanza, put it down. Highway on downwind, turn base.
Oh.
Just slow down, Bonanza, slow down. Go ahead. Pacer to turn base. Pacer, one turn to final. Please. Pacer all the way around, one turn to final. Once you put it right for the orange dot, 10 left.
Lakefront Tower, Warburg, south arrival, yellow T-34, 10 south.
Yeah, call the Warburg, call west, South Tower.
Skinny runway, right?
Yep.
Canard, start downwind. Pacer, nice job. All the way down to the orange dot. Clear to land. 10 left. That's the orange dot. The skinny runway. Canard on downwind. Start your descent. Turn base. One turn to final. Canard, turn base now. One turn to final. Canard, turn base. Turn the left turn now. Nice job, Pacer, all the way down to the orange dot. Clear to land after orange dot. Canard on downwind, turn base. Canard, I need to see that left turn coming right now. Nice job. One turn to final. Aim for that green dot. Clear to land after your orange dot. 10 left.
All right, yeah, okay. I'm so glad I'm with you.
Nice job, Canard. Nice job, Canard. Pacer, once you get it, put it down. All high-speed taxi all the way down to the end.
Look at that, right on the dot.
Nice job, Canard. You can put it down on the orange dot, then a high-speed taxi all the way down to the end. Everybody coming from the downwind, you're going to fly directly over the green V-shaped building this morning, just to the east of the control tower. Canard, you can keep it in the air all the way down to the orange dot. Low wing, half mile north, start your downwind.
No, they need to make a video of you
Drop Canard, just
doing
high-speed
this
taxi all the way down to the
pattern.
end.
Say, okay, here's how you do it, you guys. Got it.
Okay, so where are we now?
We have arrived at 2023 Sun and Fun Drive. We're on the first row of vintage aircraft parking because we're a previous winner here. Yeah, so we're back safe and sound after a nice flight orbiting a Sun and Fun.
Yeah, exactly. Great. Fantastic. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
Man, that
Thanks
was,
for going
that
along
was,
with me.
oh my
I mean, there's
goodness,
probably
that was so
a
fun.
million people that would have taken that opportunity. But
Oh, absolutely.
take-
I'm very,
I'd
very,
rather take
very
you
fortunate.
overall.
Thank you so much. Gosh, that's going to make my whole Sun and Fun day there. Now, just pardon me because I got some junk to... Okay, I'm here with my best flying buddy, and we just got back from this fantastic flight, and I just wanted to share a little bit of this final experience with you guys. Dwayne was just the best thing that happened in all of this Sun and Fun for me.
He's being too nice.
Well, I'm trying to be less jittery here with this camera, but I thank you very much. It's always a pleasure.
That was my pleasure having you
Oh
along.
my goodness, I really like it. Thank you very much.
Very well.
Thank you. Take care. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I appreciate your comments. And thank you for your support of my channel. Until next time, take care.